What's up, guys? I actually woke up late today, so I only traded one stock. Stock I traded was Disney, DIS, both on the short and then accidentally on the long side. I was looking at stocks to trade, looking at my gappers list, and here's what I found. So Disney gapped up. It popped up to 120 something, 130 area. So as it gaps up, I'm bearish on it. Typically, I would want to fill the gap. Here's what I saw on the 15 minute. So it made a high at around 130.82, and then it lost it, and it's on its way down. So you can see it was about to make another new 15-minute low at that point. And then on the 5 minute, this is what it looked like. It did a pullback. If I was awake at this point, I would probably have entered somewhere around here once it hit that EMA, but it didn't. But I wasn't. So what I did was I saw another pullback here. This is how it looks like on the 1 minute. So it made this pullback. And notice that this is sort of like a double bottom, almost, sort of. And what I mean by this is usually, remember, if it hits a double bottom, it would probably make a reversal. But instead here, what it is basically a second attempt at breaking this level, which is the 127.80, 127.18 level, okay? So when it pulled back and it made an attempt to break this level again, that's when I entered. And so my exit would be right above this EMA here. And it did go and test that exit point, like in these previous candlesticks. Did go try to test it. It didn't break through. And then it just made this big drop. So I covered it all on this drop because I was kind of playing my P&L a bit. So it hit my target, so I exited. But I accidentally covered 600 shares instead of 500, so then I had an extra 100 shares. Fortunately, it popped up, and then I quickly exited. So I made an extra $9 off of that. But yeah, pretty much that's what I did for Disney. And I was also looking at the level 2. So I saw that it was getting weak at this level. So it popped up and was going to make a run back to VWAP. It was more of a pullback and then another attempt. And usually in situations like this, when it was trying to break a particular level, the second attempt usually has more headwind or has more tailwind in it. And it allows the stock to break through. So anyway, that's the one and only trade I did. So overall, 224, 550 commission, and 4 tickets. So very efficient.